Lot of great things are happening in the field of computer vision and pattern recognition. Along with generative AI, lot of tools and research papers are appearing when it comes to video processing and image processing. CoDeF is a new kid in the town. CoDeF stands for content deformation, and this paper talks about this content deformation. CoDeF is a new type of video representation which consists of a canonical content field aggregating the static content in the entire video and a temporal deformation field recording the transformations from the canonical image. CoDeF naturally supports lifting image algorithms for video processing, and that's how it achieves superior cross-frame consistency in processed videos compared to existing video-to-video translation approaches. I hope that you found it interesting. I will drop the link to this great paper in video's description so that you can read along. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.